students, I'm Vimala. Today in this session we are going to discuss about business intelligence. Let's get into the session. These are all the topics that we are going to discuss on today. What is business intelligence? Why is business intelligence important? How business intelligence systems are implemented, and some examples of business intelligence, advantages of business intelligence, types of business intelligence uses, and related technologies. Let's get into the session. So what is business intelligence? Actually, business intelligence represents the scope of information technology tools that a firm uses to gather and analyze internal company-specific information in order to make informed data-driven decisions. So these various tools and software platforms combine to comprise robust system that allow a company to gather, store, and analyze raw business data in a way that helps it make the right decision. So which means the business intelligence system normally operate to collect data in the area of customer support, market research, competitive intelligence, product performance, and other areas that benefit from statistical analysis. Once we collect the data, we have to analyze the data, and the data will be transformed into the valuable and meaningful information. So once we got the information, by using that information, managerial people like managers, they could take a decision easily, and this business intelligence which improve decision process and optimize business. So BI, that is a business intelligence, which refers to applications and technology, which is used to gather, provide access to, and analyze data and information about the company operations. So normally we think, what is business intelligence? Is either a product or a system, but actually it is neither a product nor a system. It is an architecture and a collection of integrated operational as well as decision support applications and database that provides the business community easy access to the business data. In 1989, Howard Dresner, a research fellow at Gartner Group, popularized BI as an umbrella term to describe a set of concepts and methods in order to improve the business decision making by using some fact-based support system. And the next one is why is business intelligence is important? And this business intelligence, as I have already told you, it is a tool, that is a IT tool and technologies. So by using this, we can easily identify and set benchmarks for varied processes, and we can easily find out the measurements too. Like we can create a KPI, that is a key performance indicator, which is based on the historical data. And with BI systems, organization can easily identify what is the current market trends, and we can easily spot the business problem that need to be addressed as soon as possible. And business intelligence, which helps on data visualization that enhance the data quality and thereby the quality of decision making. So, and it can also used in small sized or medium sized or big sized enterprises too. And the next one is how business intelligence systems are implemented. Actually, there are three-step process. The first one is the data gathering. So which means we gather the raw data and input the data into a data warehouse. Data warehouse means it is a software which used to store all kinds of data, which means it is a area where we can store huge amount of data. So whenever we want, we can get it from the data warehouse. The second step is data storing. The first step is data gathering. We are gathering the raw data from various sources and store that data into the data warehouse. And the second step is data storing, which means we have to transform the raw data. Raw data means meaningless data. Okay, so that data into the structured data and store it in a data system. And so it's then stored in data system for us to access at any time. And the step 3 is knowledge management. It transforms the structured data into reports. So we can ask queries, we can request reports and analyze data in order to enable the quick decision making. So these are some examples of business intelligence. So in an online transaction processing, that is a OLTP, so this system information that could be fed into product database could be we can add a product line and change a product price. Correspondingly, in a business intelligence system query that would be executed for the product subject area could be did the addition of new product line or change in product price, increase revenues. The next one is in an advertising database of OLTP system query that could be executed by change in advertisement options, increase radio budget, and correspondingly in business intelligence system query that could be executed would be how many new clients added due to change in radio budget. Okay, and in OLTP system deals with customer demographic databases too. So that could be fed in increase customer credit limit and a change in customer salary level. Correspondingly, in the OLAP, that is Online Analytical Processing, OLAP system, query that could be executed would be can customer profile changes support, and it support higher product price too. So the difference between both of them is that a power user has the capability of working with complex data set, while the casual user need will make him use dashboards to evaluate predefined sets of data. Okay, so here is another example, hotel industry. So the hotel industry always uses some statistical information to set up the different rates for room booking. Let's take, if we go for Trivago app, so this is the best example of one of the best business intelligence application. So Trivago will compare different websites and rates of hotels on different websites. So it will give the list of best hotel rates with the different websites. Also, hotel owner uses business intelligence analytical applications to gather statistical information regarding average occupancy and room rate, like that. And it helps to find aggregate revenue generated by room. By analyzing the different trends of business, it is easy for hotel owner to set different discounts to the room so as to grow the business. Okay. So the next example is weather forecasting. So the business intelligence applications are used for doing the weather forecast. To do the forecast of the weather, the scientists need to use the historical data of the weather as well as the current data of the weather. With using the historical data of the weather, scientists will study the differentiation between the current weather and the previous weather. Okay. For example, the UK company has benefited from the business intelligence applications. They reportedly linked their business intelligence tools to the MET office to predict changes in weather. You move with the spot, great result for them in the UK summer that has just passed. So the business intelligence is widely used for forecasting the weather as well as checking the difference between weather historical data as well as the current weather. So let's take another example, a bank. So a bank gives branch managers access to business intelligence applications, like it helps branch managers to determine who are the most profitable customer and which customer they should work on. And uses of BI tools frees information technology staff from the task of generating analytical reports for the departments. So it also gives department personal access to the richer data source. So the next one is the various types of business intelligence uses. So who are all using this business intelligence technologies? So there are four key players who are used business intelligence system. The first one is the professional data analyst. The data analyst who always need to drill down into the data, and BI system helps them to get fresh insights to develop unique business strategies. So the next one is IT team, that is an IT user. The IT user also plays a dominant role in maintaining the business intelligence infrastructure. And the third one is executive, which is the head of the company, the CEO or CXO. They can increase the profit of their business by improving the operational efficiency in their businesses. So the last one is the business user. Business intelligence user can be found from across the organization. So there are mainly two types of business users, like one is casual business intelligence user, and then one is the power users. So the next one is advantages of business intelligence. So these are some advantages, like by using this business intelligence techniques, we can easily improve the decision making, because it will give some detailed information, analyzed information, which will help the managers to take decision properly, and it fast answers to any kind of business queries, and it enables real-time analysis with quick navigations. We can easily identify the cross-selling and upselling opportunities too. And definitely it helps to reduce the risk of bottlenecks, and it helps you in your business better. So these are all some basic advantages of business intelligence. And the next one is BI and related technologies. So the data used in business intelligence can include, as I have already told you, historical as well as the newly gathered data which is obtained from various sources. So business intelligence then takes all of the data and combine it into a broad set of data analysis applications and functions. So the specific business intelligence technologies may include ad hoc analysis, data querying and discovery, data warehousing, enterprise reporting, online analytical processing, that is OLAP, and data visualization software, dashboards, performance scorecards, cloud services, supply chain analytics, and machine learning and artificial intelligence. So these are some technologies which is related to the business intelligent concept. So it's time for the recap. Whatever I have explained so far, let me sum up. So business intelligence is a set of processes, architectures, and technologies that convert raw data into meaningful information that derives profitable business actions. And business intelligence systems help businesses to identify market trends, and it can easily spot the business problems which need to be addressed earlier. And BI technologies can be used by data analysts, IT people, business users, and head of the company. And BI system helps organization to improve visibility, productivity, and fix accountability too. And even though there are some drawbacks of business intelligence too, so though it gives a lot of good things to the company, improvement, so it is a time consuming one actually, and it's a costly too, and it's a very complex process to understand. only the technological person who can able to handle this kind of technologies. So except this, there are a lot of uses. By using this business intelligence, we can easily improve the company. So with that note, we conclude this session. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.